Good morning, everyone. I am Dr.A.Sethupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. This video describes the unveiling biodiversity. The biodiversity topic is undercovered in the environmental science and sustainability. So the topic is unveiling biodiversity. So welcome to an exploration of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So we will delve into the fascinating world of biodiversity and understanding its importance and the challenges it faces. So everybody know what is the biodiversity and ecological systems and how it will be unveiling. We will discuss this video. So what is biodiversity means variety of lives and encompasses all living organisms from microscopic bacteria to towering trees and majestic birds. So, what are the species living in the ecosystem that all are called biodiversity, and variety of lives have different features. An ecosystem, these all are living things are in the area that is called planet, that is the ecosystem. So it also includes the habitats where these organisms thrive, forming complex and interconnected ecosystems. So these biodiversity species, how to connect with the ecosystems, how we will get the energy. So energy sources is ecosystem. So these species are called biodiversity. So genetic diversity, that is within species, there is genetic variation, ensuring adaptability and resilience to changing conditions. That is called genetic diversity. Then rich tapestry, that is called, think of biodiversity as a rich tapestry woven with threads of countless life forms, each with a role to play. So this is called rich tapestry. So these are all in the ecosystems. These are all called the biodiversities. So why biodiversity is important? First one is ecosystem services. The biodiversity fuels vital ecosystem services like clean air and water, pollination, and food security. So the biodiversity species and plants are getting fuel from ecosystems like air, water, pollination, and foods. Next one is medicine and resources. It is a source of countless medicines and raw materials contributing to human well-being. So medicines and resources are also available in the ecosystem. The biodiversity, it will be used in the ecosystem. Then aesthetic and cultural, the beauty and wonder of biodiversity inspire art, music, and cultural practices across the world. The last one is resilience, that is, deserved ecosystems are more resilient to threats like climate change and invasive species. So threats to biodiversity, that is habitat loss, climate change, pollution, invasive species. So habitat loss is destruction of natural habitats for agriculture, urbanization, and development significantly impact biodiversity. So these processes are significantly impacted by the biodiversity. Then climate change, that is rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and ocean acidification disrupt ecosystems and threaten species. Then third one is pollution, that is air, water, and soil pollution contaminate habitats and can harm or kill organisms. Then invasive species, that is introduction of non-native species can outcompete native ones, disrupting delicate ecological balances. These four things are the threats to biodiversity. Then how will be conservation from the threats for biodiversity? Habitat restoration, that is reversing habitat loss through restoration projects help bring back essential biodiversity. Protected areas, that is creating and managing protected areas ensures safe havens for threatened species and ecosystems. Then sustainable practices, adopting sustainable practices in agriculture, forestry, and fishing minimize harm to biodiversity. The last one is community engagement, that is engaging local communities in conservation efforts is vital for long-term success. So these four are the conservation of efforts. The future of biodiversity. How we will maintain in future for biodiversity? Biodiversity is a precious resources that need our care. By understanding its importance, acknowledging the threats, and actively participating in conservation efforts, we can help ensure a vibrant and healthy future for our planet and all its inhabitants. So biodiversity is very important for ecosystem. So we will make sure to not destroy the biodiversity systems. Thank you.